It is a nice evening. The candles are flickering, and it's so cold I can see my breath as I write these lines. The rest of the house are sitting by the fireplace, but I am at Aunt Florence's desk, so I don't continue to bore them all with my thoughts about James Clark. I still can't believe Aunt Florence has invited him and his brothers to build a snowman and drink hot chocolate by the fireplace over the weekend. The truth is, that is what we have been doing most Sundays since winter started. And it has been so much fun that it would be quite selfish not to share those moments with them. Bonnie has been knitting some mittens for the children, and Aunt Florence said we will give them some books to take home. I really admire her kindness and perspective on life. It is so inspiring to see her playing in the snow like a child in the morning, getting involved in political causes during the day, and enjoying life at home in the evenings. She's the wisest woman I've known, and I'm sure her legacy will continue for hundreds of years. Although I really wish that there was no need to fight such causes. Why is there so much inequality among human beings? Why should our natural features like skin color or gender determine our rights? Wouldn't we have a much richer society if we embraced all the diversity that exists? Just like a garden full of different flowers with their myriad of colors and unique fragrances. It will be quite dull to wish for a garden of identical flowers. My dear Chloe, your letters are like a warm hug to my soul. I can't put into words how much I enjoy them. I feel each of our letters is a continuation of our grandmother's story, and it makes me happy to think they might be watching us, feeling proud of the wonderful friendship we have. For that reason, I always try to make these moments of reading and writing a special occasion. This time, I am enjoying a cup of spiced tea and a piece of pie. I baked quite a lot today. You do well not to argue with your family. That is something that the lovely Rose would be pleased about. But I believe it is the right thing to do to speak with Mrs. Woodhart about the furniture. She will give you the right advice and put your mind at ease about the whole situation. Unfortunately, I won't be able to go to Robin Johnson's Farm Festival. We are taking the kids on an excursion to visit another school on that day. It's such a pity I can't go, but please go if you like. I think you might know something else about Rose. And also, you're so curious about him, it is a chance you can't miss. Your dreams and plans sound absolutely wonderful, and, of course, I will be there to help you with everything. As soon as I finished reading your letter, I pictured myself in your lovely tea room and couldn't resist baking some scones with an old recipe from my grandmother. I copied some recipes for you to take home next time you're here. You are very right. I could spend hours imagining all the possibilities. But let's not forget what Aunt Florence once said. Dreams motivate us, but actions and purpose define us. It might take us a while to make our dreams reality, but we should start fighting for them right now, little by little, step by step. Don't worry about how far along the road you still have to go. It is always better to focus on what you can do today to take one more step towards your dreams. Sending you lots of love back, Winnie.